Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group at the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, December the 14th. Fed Day fun was yesterday. We had the rocket rally making new all-time highs in the Dow and the S&P, giving up the gains later in the session, but that widely expected quarter-point bump did happen. We've talked about the futures market looking out. March and September are the next rate hikes, but the Fed did talk about 3 for next year, so we'll have to see. Net, we had the S&P down 1 point. The Dow held on to some of those gains, still up 80, and the NDX gained 11, a 0.25% boost. The best performance on the session did get within about 10 points of the all-time highs, but let's remember the key reversal in the NDX is still intact from that weekly high a couple weeks ago and a lower weekly close, which is a negative pattern that needs to be voided with new highs. Action in the euro currency up 119. The dollar fell after the rate hike, back inside that 92 to 94 range from August, September, and October. So the overall trend in the dollar is coming back down. Mover of the day was gold. Gold was up $17, $12.58. A big reversal after making multi-week lows recently here at $12.38. So $12.70 is the kind of midpoint of this fall from $1,300 to this week's lows to turn this trend around and dig out of the hole. Also, the action in crude oil down 40 cents, 56.75. That's some disappointment after the 58.50 high on Tuesday, which was 50 cents away from that double top at 59. So, after the Fed action, where do things stand here on Thursday morning? Well, today the big news is Disney. Disney's taking out some assets from 20th Century Fox, $50 billion stock deal. Now, what that tells me, the takeaway here, is that this deal is in stock. It's a sign of strength for the markets, looking for this to continue. Otherwise, we'd wait for things to back off and get it at a little bit of a discount. So where we stand right now, we've got the S&P up 3 points, the NASDAQ up 8, and the Dow futures up 30. Looking at other markets, we talked about the euro remaining strong, pushing up above 119 with 120 up above. Gold right now is up about $1 around the 1260 level. Keep an eye on 1270 as that price pivot. And crude, if we look at that number, right now is down 30 cents at 56.30. So, to summarize, with about an hour to go before the cash stock market open, we've got stock futures positive once again, up 2 in the S&P, up 7 in the NDX, and up 30 in the Dow, approaching those all-time highs once again. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.